Is your Price Pfister shower faucet constantly dripping? Does the water keep running even after you turn the handle off? Don't waste money calling a plumber just yet. In most cases, replacing the faucet cartridge is a simple repair you can do yourself with a few basic tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to replace a leaking Price Pfister shower faucet cartridge from start to finish. We'll remove the old cartridge, install a brand new one, apply valve grease for smooth operation, and seal everything properly to prevent future leaks. Let's get started. Step 1. Remove the handle. First, carefully pry off the decorative cap in the center of the faucet handle. Once the cap is removed, you'll see the mounting screw. Remove the screw and slide the handle straight off the valve stem. Step 2. Remove the sleeve and retaining nut. Next, unscrew the chrome sleeve or trim piece surrounding the valve. Most of the time it can be removed by hand, but if it's stuck, use adjustable pliers with cloth wrapped around the finish to avoid scratching it. With the sleeve removed, you'll have access to the retaining nut. Use a proper wrench or pliers to loosen and remove the nut that secures the cartridge. Step 3. Remove the old cartridge. Grip the exposed cartridge firmly with pliers and pull it straight out of the valve body. If the cartridge has been installed for many years, it may be stuck due to mineral buildup. Wiggle it gently while pulling until it slides free. Step 4. Prepare the new cartridge. Before installing the new Price Pfister cartridge, inspect the valve body and wipe away any dirt, corrosion, or mineral deposits. Apply a thin layer of plumber's faucet and valve grease to the O-rings and the outside of the new cartridge. This helps create a watertight seal, prevents damage during installation, and makes future removal much easier. Now locate the alignment tabs or notch on the cartridge. Match them with the grooves inside the valve body. Then carefully push the cartridge all the way into place until it's fully seated. Step 5. Reassemble the faucet. Thread the retaining nut back onto the valve and tighten it securely without over-tightening. Next, reinstall the chrome sleeve over the cartridge. Slide the handle back onto the valve stem, tighten the center screw, and snap the decorative cap back into place. Step 6. Seal the trim plate. For extra protection against water damage, apply a neat bead of 100% silicone caulk around the top and both sides of the chrome trim where it meets the shower wall. Leave the bottom edge unsealed so any moisture trapped behind the trim can drain out naturally. Smooth the silicone using a damp finger or paper towel. Then wipe away any excess for a clean, professional finish. Turn the water supply back on and test the faucet. Check that the handle turns smoothly, the water shuts off completely, and there are no leaks around the cartridge or trim. That's it. Your Price Pfister shower faucet should now operate like new, and you've completed the repair yourself while saving the cost of the service call. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy DIY plumbing repairs and home maintenance guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.